Piece of cake, origin, meaning, and examples. If someone describes a task as easy as a piece of cake, it doesn't mean they've been baking. So, what does it mean? Let's find out. The phrase piece of cake is believed to have originated in the United States in the early 20th century. During World War II, pilots who completed their missions sometimes said it was a piece of cake. This meant their mission was as easy and enjoyable as eating cake, compared to the usual challenges and dangers they faced. Nowadays, piece of cake is a widely used idiom that means something is very easy to do or accomplish. You can use it to express confidence or reassurance about the simplicity of a task, suggesting it presents no challenge at all. Idioms with similar meanings include a walk in the park, easy as pie, and Bob's your uncle. Example 1. When asked how his exam went, Mark replied, "Oh, it was a piece of cake. I finished it in half the time." Example 2. When Tom's friends asked him if he was nervous about giving a presentation in front of the class, he replied, "Nah, it's a piece of cake. I've rehearsed it so many times I could do it in my sleep." Next time you want to reassure someone hesitant about completing a task, you can say, "It's a piece of cake." Subscribe to our channel below and learn many more English expressions.